Good morning children. Today we are going to see Geography chapter 5 Industries. Okay. Now we are going to see about industries. Okay. What are industries? See, before we enter into this topic, let us recall. What are the three types of economic activities? The three types of economic activities are the primary activity, secondary activities and the tertiary activities, isn't it? Yes. See children, what is a primary activity? Actually, primary activity includes those occupations which are closely related to man's natural environment. Yes, yes. For example, primary economic activity is a type of operation or industry that involves extracting or refining natural resources such as agriculture, mining, forestry and fishing. Okay. So in the last class we have seen about the primary activities, that means agriculture, right? Today we are going to see about industries. It includes secondary activities. Yes, because secondary activities or manufacturing only the process of converting raw materials into finished goods. Yes, yes. See, nama primary activities la raw materials extract பண்றோம் natural environment la irundhu, but அதை converted into finished goods நமக்கு என்ன need, what we need according to our needs, these goods will be transferred into finished goods, right? Converted into finished goods. So this process is done in these secondary activities. So that is industry. So industry is coming under the secondary activities. In this sector, manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials into finished goods. கிடைக்கிற raw material finished goods ஆக்கிற process எதில் நடக்குது? In the industry, right? So industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals or provision of services. So this is the definition of industry. Got it? See, let me tell you some examples. See, we are having papers, we are using papers, but are we getting papers directly from nature? Absolutely not. We are getting wood, then it will be making us a pulp, then with this pulp only this paper is manufactured, right? So this process are done in the secondary activities, in the industries, factories. So and one more example we can say, cotton. We are getting cotton from nature, agriculture. From cotton, do you get clothes directly from cotton? Absolutely not. It is processed in this industries, manufacturing sector. Then at last we will get cloth, right? In between ginning, weaving, dyeing, right? Everything in between it will be processed. Then at last we will get a cloth, isn't it? Yes. So directly we are getting resources from nature, but these resources are processed in these industries. Got it? And this industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods. Yes, production of goods. Then extraction of minerals. Yes, coal mining, iron, bauxite, all the minerals are extracted from the nature. So this extraction of minerals or the provision of services. It means tourism industry also coming under the industry. We will give the service. So service provider also, industry also includes in this service provider sector. So industry refers to the economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, and what is that? Provision of services. Got it. Now we are going to see about the classification of industries. Okay. See children, industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. See, simply we can see ஒரு இண்டஸ்ட்ரி எந்த ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸை அவங்களுக்கு பேசிக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, தென் அதனுடைய சைஸ் மீன்ஸ் அதனுடைய அந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியோடைய சைஸ், தென் ஓனர்ஷிப், ஹூ ஓன்ஸ் தட் ஃபேக்ட்ரி ஆர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. அக்கார்டிங் டு திஸ் ஒன் industries can be classified. Okay. So what are the three common methods of classifying industries? Industries are classified according to raw material used, size and ownership, isn't it? Yes. Then on the basis of raw material used, industries are classified into agro based industries, then mineral based industries, then marine based industries and forest based industries. So on the basis of raw material used, industries are classified into agro based industries, mineral based industries, marine based industries and forest based industries. See, mineral based industries are use mineral ores as their raw materials. Yes, for example, steel industries, if you take steel industries, that they used to get raw materials from nature, then ores, that is if they get iron ores only, they will process this iron ore and at last they will produce steel, which is used to make so many things for our day to day life, isn't it? Yes. Next, marine based industries. See, these industries use products obtained from the sea and oceans as raw materials. So generally marine based industries get their raw materials from where? Sea and oceans. Yes, seafood industry is one such industry. Yes, fishery, like food processing, in that seafood industry is one such industry. Okay. Next, forest based industries. See, these industries use forest produce as raw materials. For example, paper industry and furniture industries, because they used to get timber from forest, isn't it? Yes. Here, size of the industries refer to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed and the volume of production. So இப்போது நம்ம ஒரு கம்பெனி இருக்குது, ஒரு மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அதில் நம்ம எவ்வளோ இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறோம், ஒரு லார்ஜ் குவான்டிட்டியை இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறோமா, இல்லை மீடியம் சைஸ் கேபிட்டலா, இல்லை ஸ்மால் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸாக எப்படி டிசைட் பண்ணோம் அப்படிங்கிறதுனா, அங்கே நம்ம எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், எவ்வளோ பீப்புள் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க அண்ட் த வால்யூம் ஆஃப் ப்ரொடக்ஷன், அட் லாஸ்ட் எவ்வளோ ப்ரொடக்ஷன் நடக்குது, அதை வச்சு தான் என்ன சைஸ், அது வந்து லார்ஜ் ஸ்கேல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸா, மிடில் ஸ்கேல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸா அல்லது காட்டேஜ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்மால் ஸ்கேல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸில் வருமாங்கிறதை டிசைட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ ஹியர் சைஸ் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு த அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல் இன்வெஸ்டட், number of people employed and the volume of production. So based on size, industries can be classified into small scale and large scale industries. Okay. Now let us see about the small scale industries. See, in small scale industries, a lesser amount will be used as a capital and technology also. Cottage or household industries are a type of small scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand or by the artisans. Yes, for example, basket weaving, pottery and other handicrafts will come under the small scale industries. Okay. Now we will see about the large scale industries. See, in these industries, produce will be large volumes, then investment of capital is also higher, as well technology too. Okay, so here capital is higher and technology used is superior in large scale industries. So for example, production of automobiles and heavy machines. Okay. Now we will see how industries are classified on the basis of ownership. So industries are classified on the basis of ownership is one is private industries, then another one is public sector industries, then joint sector industries, then cooperative sector industries. Okay. Now let us see about the private sector industries. See children, these industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. For example, Reliance, Tata and Wipros, etc. So these are the examples for private sector industries. Then now we are going to see about public sector industries. See, these kind of industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited are the examples for public sector industries. Okay. Now let me tell you about joint sector industries. See children, these industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited. So simply we can say in this joint sector, who will take part? Government along with individuals or a group of individuals. Government to take part பண்ணுவாங்க. At the same time ஒரு தனி மனிதர் அல்லது ஒரு group of individual, ஒரு group of peopleம் இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸில் ஜாயின் பண்ணி தான் இந்த செக்டாரை ரன் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ ஜாயிண்ட் செக்டார் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Okay. Now we will see about the cooperative sector industries. See, these industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. For example, Anand Milk Union Limited. This is also known as Amul. Amul products. Have you heard about Amul? So, Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy. These are the examples for cooperative sector industries. Okay. Now we are going to see about the factors which affect the location of an industry. See, establishing an industry in a particular area depends on a number of factors such as availability of raw materials, availability of energy resources, then means of transport and communication, cheap and efficient human labor, market or demand, and availability of water. See children, establishing an industry is not and simple. It is a big task. Why? Because we need sufficient raw materials and energy resources, isn't it? See, ஒரு இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு நிறைய ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்கணும். ஜஸ்ட் லைக் தட் ஒரு இடத்த நம்ம இஃப் ஃபிக்ஸ் இட் இமீடியட்லி வி கான்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் இன் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. அந்த ஏரியாவில் நம்ம இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு தேவையான ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் சப்ளை ஆகுமான்னு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வி ஷுட் சி த ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸ், அவைலபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் as well as water facility is very very important. Yes, so from the beginning to processing itself, industries need water. So before going to start the industry, some factors should be needed, right? So what are the factors? First, already I have told you about raw materials that are very very important, and also energy resources. See, in order to produce energy, we need resources. For example, coal. If it is available, it's easy to generate electricity for the industries. So before going to start the industry, whether it will be resources are available or not, then only they will find okay whether it is a suitable place to start the industry or not. Okay. Likewise, other factors like labor we need, human resources we need. Yes, cheap and efficient labors we need to work, and also location of market. In nearer place there should be markets, then only the products will be easily reached to market for selling. And also very very important facility is transport and means of communication. Yes, for example, if it is nearer to railway station, it's very easy to carry goods to the storing place as well as marketing areas, so that before establish an industry in a particular area, it depends on a number of factors such as availability of raw materials, availability of energy resources, means of transport and communication, cheap and efficient human labor, market, and also availability of water. Okay. See children, now we are going to see about the industrial system. An industrial system is very simple. It consists of inputs, process and outputs. Yes, of course, inputs, raw materials. We are using raw materials, then it will be processed, then at last we will get output, right? So an industrial system consists of inputs, processes and outputs. Okay. So the inputs are the raw materials, labor and costs of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. Everything will come under the inputs. Then the processes include a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished products. Okay. The outputs are the end product at the income earned from it. Yes. அது அவுட்புட் கிடைச்சதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நம்ம அதை சேல் பண்ணி நம்ம ப்ராஃபிட்ஸை பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ for example, in case of the textile industry, the inputs may be cotton, human labor, factory and transport cost. The processes include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing, right? Then the output is the shirt you wear. So an industrial system consists of inputs, processes and outputs. Okay. Now we are going to see about the industrial regions. See, industrial regions are those where cluster of industries means group of industries are located in close proximity due to its locational advantages. So that major industrial regions develop when several industries related to each other and interdependent ஒன்றுக்கொன்று தொடர்புடையதாக இருக்கும் for products and other byproducts. So they cluster together to take advantage of availability of raw material, labor and market. So industrial regions are those where cluster of industries are located in close to each other for its locational advantages. Now let me tell you about the major industrial regions of the world. Okay, what are they? They are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Okay. In fact, major industrial regions tend to be located in the temperate areas near seaports and especially near coal fields. Yes, of course, because for import and export, seaports are very, very important, right? Without that, how can it's possible? And also, coal fields are very, very essential to use to generate electricity, isn't it? Now, we will see about India's major industrial regions. See, India has several industrial regions like Mumbai-Pune cluster, Bangalore-Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad-Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam-Guntur belt, Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut region and the Kollam-Trivandrum industrial cluster. Okay, these are the major industrial regions in India. Okay. Now we are going to see about the distribution of major industries. Okay. See children, the distribution of major industries is one is iron and steel industry is located in Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. Then we can say that about the textile industries which are located in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan. Then the third one is the major hubs of information technology industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India. Okay, hubs அப்படினா center part, centers. So the major centers of information technology industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India. Okay. You know children, the emerging industries are also known as sunrise industries. So, which is known as sunrise industries, emerging industries are also known as sunrise industries. These include information technology, wellness, hospitality and knowledge. Okay. Now, we are going to see about the iron and steel industry. See children, like other industries, iron and steel industry also comprises various inputs, processes and outputs. Yes, actually this is a feeder industry whose products are used as raw material for other industries. Yes, இதுதான் எல்லாத்துக்குமான இது அயன் அண்ட் ஸ்டீல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியோடைய ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் தான் மெனி இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸோடைய ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸாக இருக்கும். ஸோ iron and steel industry is called the backbone of modern industry. ஒரு மற்ற இண்டஸ்ட்ரியினுடைய முதுகெலும்புன்னு சொல்கிறத எதை சொல்லுவோன்னா iron and steel industry. Okay, actually it provides basis to many other industries like ships, trains, trucks and autos are largely made of steel, isn't it? Yes, so the inputs for the iron and steel industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal and limestone. These are the basic raw materials for the iron and steel industry. What are the raw materials for the iron and steel industry? Iron ore, coal and limestone. Then along with obviously labor, capital, site and other infrastructure, right? So the raw material is put in the blast furnace. See here blast furnace இரும்பு உருக்காலை அது வந்து smelting. Actually smelting is the process in which metals are extracted from their ores by heating beyond the melting point. இரும்பு உருக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, அதுதான் ஸ்மெல்ட்டிங். ஒரு ஹை டெம்பரேச்சரில் வச்சு மெல்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் ஸ்மெல்ட்டிங். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த ரா மெட்டீரியல் இஸ் புட் இன் த பிளாஸ்ட் ஃபர்னஸ் வேர் இஸ் அண்டர்கோஸ் ஸ்மெல்ட்டிங். அந்த பிளாஸ்ட் ஃபர்னஸ்க்குள்ளே இந்த மெட்டீரியல்ஸை போட்டால் மட்டுமே தான் அது வந்து ஸ்மெல்ட் ஆகும். இட் இஸ் தென் ரிஃபைன்டு. ஆஃப்டர் ரிஃபைனிங் த அவுட்புட் ஆப்டைன்ட் இஸ் ஸ்டீல். ஓகே, ஸோ இன் இந்தியா iron and steel industry has developed taking advantages of raw materials, cheap labor, transport and market. So Bhilai, Durgapur, Burnpur, Rourkela, Bokaro are some important steel producing centers in India. So what are the important steel producing centers in India? Bhilai, Durgapur, Burnpur, Rourkela, Bokaro are the some important steel producing centers in India. Okay, so West Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa and Chhattisgarh, Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Salem in Tamil Nadu are other important steel centers utilizing local resources. Okay, now we are going to see about the Tata Iron and Steel Company located in Jamshedpur. Okay, see children, before independence the only iron and steel company was Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, that is called TISCO, 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 Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. Okay, now it is known as Tata Steel. Actually it was set up in 1907 at Sakshi, renamed as Jamshedpur. So the original name of Jamshedpur is Sakshi, at the confluence of the Sabarnarekha and Harkai rivers. Okay, so the first iron and steel industry of India, Tata Iron and Steel Company, was set up at Jamshedpur in 1907. It is in which state? Jharkhand. Okay, so the founder of TISCO was late Shri Jamshedji Tata, who was famous as the Iron Man of India. You know children, why the Sakshi was chosen to set up the steel plant by TISCO? Because Sakshi was close to the Kalimati railway station. It was also close to iron ore, coal and manganese deposits, and also Kolkata, a source of large market, was not far away. Then Jharia coal fields and limestone, dolomite, limestone and manganese from Orissa and Chhattisgarh were easily available and accessible. Okay, so the nearby rivers Karkai and Sabarnareka provided sufficient water supply. Okay, so these were the reasons why Sakchi was chosen for setting up Tata and steel plant. Okay, so in Jamshedpur several other industrial plants were set up after TISCO. In fact, they produce chemicals, locomotive parts, agricultural equipment, machinery, tin plates, cables and wires. Okay, like Jamshedpur, we are going to see about Pittsburgh. A city is in USA. Okay, so Pittsburgh is an important steel city in the USA. Actually, most raw materials such as coal are available locally. So iron ore is brought from the iron mines in Minnesota. மினிசோட்டாங்கிற ஏரியாவிலேருந்து அயன் மைன்லேருந்து அயன் ஓர் கொண்டு வராங்க. த ஷிப்பிங் ஆஃப் ஓர் இஸ் ஆல்சோ கன்வீனியன்ட் பாத்வே த கிரேட் லேக்ஸ் ஆஃப் நார்த் அமெரிக்கா. From the lakes to the industrial area, trains are there to carry the ore. So, the Great Lakes of North America is also used to transport the goods. Okay, rivers like the Ohio, the Monongahela and the Allegheny provide adequate water supply. How in Jamshedpur, Sabarnareka and Karkai river provided sufficient water supply. Likewise, there also these are the rivers provide sufficient water supply to the Pittsburgh steel city. Okay. Now we are going to see about the cotton textile industry. Okay. See children, you know very well cotton is a natural fiber crop, isn't it? Yes. The cotton textile industry is the industry which involves in making clothes out of the fiber. Yes, it is one of the oldest industries of the world. Yes, India has a glorious history of producing excellent quality cotton textiles. Yes, I think you have read about India's cotton textile industry in your history chapter, isn't it? Yes. The muslins of Dhaka, cinces of Masulipatanam, calicos of Calicut and gold wrought cotton of Burhanpur, Vadodara and Surat had world famous quality and design, isn't it? Yes. So, the traditional Indian cotton textile industry, however, could not compete with the Western textile mills due to the high cost of the hand woven textile. So, our Indian cotton textiles were not able to compete with machine made clothes which import from Britain. Okay. Actually, the first successful modern textile mill was established in Mumbai in the year 1854. So, in which year modern textile mill was established in Mumbai? In the year 1854, isn't it? Yes. So, the warm, moist climate, port for importing machinery, availability of raw material and skilled labor resulted in rapid expansion of the industry in the region. Okay. Initially, this industry, அதாவது ஆரம்பத்தில் இந்த காட்டன் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி, காட்டன் டெக்ஸ்டைல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி flourished in the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat because of favorable humid climate. காட்டன் கல்டிவேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கான ஃபேவரான ஹியூமிட் கிளைமேட் அங்கே இருந்ததுனால. பட் டுடே humidity can be created artificially and raw cotton is a pure and not weight losing raw material. So இப்போலாம் artificial humidity create பண்ணி அதை warm temperature கொடுத்து காட்டனை கல்டிவேட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஹேஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட் டு அதர் பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் இந்தியா. கோயம்புத்தூர், கான்பூர், சென்னை, அகமதாபாத், மும்பை, கொல்கத்தா, Ludhiana, Pondicherry and Panipat are some of the other important centers. Okay, what are the important centers of cotton and textile industries in India? Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Pondicherry and Panipat. Okay, now we are going to see how Ahmedabad as center of cotton. Okay, you know, Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat on the banks of the Sabarmati river. The first mill was established in 1859. So in Ahmedabad, which year the first mill was established? In the year 1859. Then soon it became the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. Okay, so Ahmedabad is often referred to as the Manchester of India. So which is known as Manchester of India? Ahmedabad. You know children, which is the Manchester of South India? Which city is known as Manchester of South India? Of course, Coimbatore. Okay, so Ahmedabad is often referred to as the Manchester of India. You know, Manchester as a place, it is in England, and there this Manchester is famous for cotton textiles industries. So that in India, Ahmedabad is famous for this cotton and textile industries as well as Coimbatore, so that it is referred as the Manchester of India. Okay, then favorable locational factors were responsible for the development of the textile industry in Ahmedabad. Yes, or industry develop ஆகணும்னா அதுக்கான favorable location and other factors இருக்கணும். அது அகமதாபாத்தில் நல்லா அமைஞ்சுது. So Ahmedabad is situated in the heart of a cotton growing area. ஸோ அகமதாபாத்தை சுற்றியும் அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் அவைலபிளாக இருந்துச்சு. திஸ் ensures easy availability of raw material. Yes, of course. And also the humid climate is ideal for spinning and weaving. So which climate is ideal for spinning and weaving? Humid climate. And also there is a flat terrain and easy availability of land suitable for the establishment of the mills. And also the densely populated states of Gujarat and Maharashtra provide both skilled and semi-skilled labor. So population densely populated area states of Gujarat and Maharashtra provide both ரொம்ப skilled employees and semi-skilled employees அங்கே கிடைக்கிறாங்க. Well developed road and railway network permits easy transportation of textiles to different parts of the country. Because transportation and communication only will make the industries to access the market. Yes, and also Mumbai port nearby facilities import of machinery and export of cotton textiles. Yes, Mumbai port, Mumbai துறைமுகம் அங்கே பக்கத்துலேயே இருக்குது. ஸோ it is very useful to do the import and exports. And if we need any machineries, highly equipped machineries if we need, we can import and our products will be exported, isn't it? Yes. But in the recent years, Ahmedabad textile mills have been having some problems. In fact, several textile mills have closed down. This is primarily due to emergence of new textile centers in the country as well as non-upgradation of machines and technology in the mills of Ahmedabad. Yes, the recent yearல நிறைய textile mills all over India நிறைய வர ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. And also இந்த மாதிரி அப்கிரேட் பண்ணாமல் நியூ மிஷினரிஸ் அந்த எக்விப்டு டெக்னாலஜிஸ் இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணாததுனாலையும் அகமதாபாத்தில் இப்போ சம் டெக்ஸ்டைல்ஸ் மில்ஸ் ஹாவ் பீன் க்ளோஸ்டு. Okay, now we are going to Osaka. Osaka is in Japan. Okay, how Ahmedabad we saw about Ahmedabad as a Manchester of India. Then likewise Now we are going to see about the city Osaka. Actually, Osaka is also known as Manchester of Japan. Okay. In fact, it is an important textile center of Japan. So which is the very important textile centers of Japan? Osaka. And Osaka is also known as the Manchester of Japan. So which is known as the Manchester of Japan? Osaka, isn't it? Yes. So the textile industry developed in Osaka due to several geographical factors. We will see that. Okay. The extensive plain around Osaka ensured that land was easily available for the growth of cotton mills. So plain land, it helps to construct many industries and many cotton mills. Okay. And also humid climate of Osaka is also favor for developing cotton textile industries. Yes, because warm humid climate is well suited to spinning and weaving. So Osaka has a warm and humid climate, so it helps to develop cotton and textile industries. Especially it is well suited to spinning and weaving. Okay. And also the river Yadu, how Sabarmati river gives water supply to the Ahmedabad cotton mills. Like already we have seen the Tata Industries, Tisco, for that Karkai river, and what is that? Subarnereka provides sufficient water for these industries, right? Like likewise here in Osaka, the river Yadu provides sufficient water for the mills. And also labor is easily available. We have seen in Ahmedabad and Gujarat, Maharashtra, densely populated area these states are, right? So we are getting skilled laborers as well as semi-skilled laborers easily. Likewise in Osaka, labor's availability is there, and location of port facilities are there. Yes, we have seen, no, in Ahmedabad, Mumbai port is near to them, right? So it is easily access to import and export, right? And heavy machineries and equipments also can be imported from foreign countries. Like that, in Osaka also has port facilities to import of raw materials and export for their products. You know children, this Osaka city completely depends upon importing raw materials. Cotton is imported from Egypt, India, China and USA. Then the finished product is mostly exported and has a good market due to good quality and low price. So it is one of the important textile cities in the country. Of late, the cotton textile industry of Osaka has been replaced by other industries such as iron and steel, machinery, shipbuilding, automobiles, electric equipment and cement. So முன்னாடி textile industries மட்டும் இருந்த ஒசாகால, after that iron and steel companies, shipbuilding, automobiles, electric equipment and cement factories வர ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. Okay. Now we are going to see about the information technology, especially why Bangalore is called Silicon Valley of India. You know children, why Bangalore is called Silicon Valley of India? Actually, Silicon Valley is in California, it is in US, isn't it? Yes, there is more information technology software companies are there, so that Silicon Valley is famous for information technology, isn't it? Like that, in India, Bangalore is called Silicon Valley of India. Why? Because Bangalore is located on the Deccan Plateau, from where it gets the name of Silicon Plateau. And also the city is known for its mild climate throughout the year. So how is the climate of Bangalore? It has mild climate throughout the year. isn't it? Yes. In fact, Silicon Valley, California is a part of Santa Clara Valley, located next to Rocky Mountains of North America. So you can remember that Silicon Valley is in US, right? So in worldwide, two leading centers of IT growth, information technology growth are Silicon Valley in the USA and Bangalore in India. Okay. Yes, Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka, is often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India. So which is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore, right? Actually, it is a major industrial center of information technology with the highest number of software companies and a major share of software export from India. Okay. So, the major hubs of IT industry are Silicon Valley in USA and Bangalore in India. In fact, there are other emerging information technology hubs in metropolitan centers of India, such as Mumbai, then New Delhi, Hyderabad, and Chennai, and also other cities such as Gurgaon, Pune, Trivandrum, Cochin, and Chhattisgarh are also important centers of the IT industry. Okay. We know very well Bangalore has many international and Indian IT companies, isn't it? Yes. So the city is popularly called Silicon Valley of India, isn't it? Yes. But Bangalore has always had a unique advantage as a city with highest availability of middle and top management talent. Okay. Okay children, I hope you all understood this chapter clearly. Thank you.